Today we're going to start trading pair, the euro yen, on the 5-minute charts, and we're going to scalp the market. So the market is now going our way. We're going to scalp the market. What we're going to do now is sell the market. Yep, take profit target is here. Yep. Okay, so we'll come. Welcome back to simpleforexscalper. So we have been scalping the market. We are selling the market right now. So we just sold the market at this point here at the price of 148.176. And now the market has actually moved down as expected. So this is where we started selling. Just gonna make that bigger. Now the market has moved halfway towards our take profit target, so we're targeting this price here at about 18 pips. Current balance now is $52, just over $50 now. For those of you that just started in our trading class, or that's new to our trading class, we're using our trading system. The reason why we take a sell is that there's something happening in this area here and in this area here that causes us to sell this trade. Okay, so the market's really moving down towards our take profit target here, which is here, this line here. It's an automatic take profit target, so as soon as it hit this target, we're going to close our trade. Now you can close your trade early if you wish, and start take that profit here of $65. Hello, welcome back to simpleforexscalper. So we can see that the market has moved down to this area here, almost take our hit profit target about 5 pips ago, but then it just retraced back up. What we can do now is sell the market. We're going to sell the market. So this is our second trade for the day. And yeah, same target here, so we may have to move the target to this same area here. And the market will be moving down, definitely. We'll see you back shortly, I'll let you know. Hi, hello, welcome back. So let's see, the market is now moving back in our favor, in our direction. As you can see, we took 2 trades, one here, and one here. 2 trades, and we're targeting the same area here, our take profit area here. So the market has moved up, and now it's moving back down towards the previous low here of 147.2. Okay, so now our 2 trade is now in profit. One is at 53, and I'm at 33. As you can see, we are now moving in the right directions. We trade on the 5-minute charts, and we do live trading class here with all our students Monday to Thursday. Okay, so we'll see you back shortly. As you can see, the market has moved down towards our take profit target here. It has already broken a previous low here, so that's broken now. Now this is a 5-minute candle, so every candle is equal to 5 minutes. So the current candle now is actually running, just got over 2 minutes 30 seconds to go. So we hope that this candle here will continue to move down according to the momentum and push towards our take profit target. As we expected, we'll let the market do the thing. the market needs to do what it needs to do, and we just sit tight and watch the market move. So it's not moving down towards take profit on this candle here, so we could wait for the next candle as well. So in this trading system that we have, patience is the key. So before I move down, and we're about how many pips? About 4.5 pips away from our take profit target. Okay, so it's moving back up now. We'll wait for the market to come back down and hit our take profit. So we'll see you back shortly. Okay, so we have now move further down towards our take profit target, and this candle's just got under 1 minute to go, and it looks like it's breaking new low now. So this is a new low right now. It's broken, and it's heading towards our take profit. So we're about 2 pips away. So 2 pips away from our take profit target. Waiting for it patiently, and we should start a countdown, 3, 2, 1 or something, and close the trade automatically. So today we're going to close the trade automatically when the market move in our favor. Okay, yep. So one account is closed, and we've got one more to go. Bingo. So that's it. So all our trade taking its profit. We've got 2 trade hit our take profit target. First one there is $85 and $111. 2 trade has been taken, and gives a new balance now of $830. Alright, thanks everyone for watching. We'll see you back shortly in the next live trading class. Have a lovely day.